everyone, it's Michelle from A Noble Touch, and I just wanted to show you these cute horse heads I got from my friend April. She owns aprilbcreations.com. If you go there, you can get these on Etsy. I will post the link in the details of this video. But I asked her to send me a couple of these so I could try them out. These are going to go in my girls' room. Of course, one is a unicorn, and then one is a horse head. And the horse head I already started working on. I wanted to try something different than my deco mesh and my burlap. So I have this cute yarn method. It's super easy to do, and I wanted to see what it was going to look like first, so I was working with it, and I think I'm going to continue on with it. And so what we're going to do, I'm going to put this over here. But what we're going to do is I've already measured out. Now these I measured out 12 inches. And so, you know, you take your yarn. This is Bernat yarn. And it's Sonoma, I believe is the color. But I measure out the 12 inches. If you just have one of those boards, you can wrap it around. And I just measure out about 4 or 5 strands. And then, of course, you're going to cut the edges, cut the ends here. And then if you want to add some black, I had some black yarn. So I just cut a few, and this is just a regular Red Heart yarn. Measure out the 12. You can do it right on here, I guess. And I do like 3 or 4 pieces. You don't have to put the black in. I just wanted some added color to it. Or you can do whatever color you want. Oops. And then just lay it on top like this. And then you're going to take a zip tie. So basically all you need is zip ties and scissors. And these are 4-inch zip ties. I get a pack of 100 at Walmart. And then I pull down, I don't pull down tight because then you're going to use another zip tie to attach. So you're going to take your zip tie. Now this one we're going to start here. And then I just take and put it through the other zip tie. And then I pull tight on that. Of course, get your other scissors out for cutting the zip tie. You don't want to use your fabric scissors for that. Turn it around. Cut. So as you see, that's going to come down like this. And I cut a few longer ones. I did these at, I think they were 16 inches. So they're going to be a little bit longer for the mane. And I'm just going to continue my way down. So we're going to, and this is just a quick, easy, but it should be really cute to hang on your child's wall. Oh, I don't know what I did that for. So then I come down here, put through that zip tie, or that hole there, push through underneath this zip tie here. And then through there. And this is so nice. They come already painted. They're hand painted by April. She does a beautiful job. And they're a thick, heavy plastic. And so I'm just going to continue my way down the mane. And then when we're done with this part, I'll come back and show you what we're going to do. Basically the same thing, but I might do a little bit shorter cut for this section here. So we'll be right back. Okay, I just wanted to show you a little bit better of a close-up of what was going on here. So you see the holes here? So you're going to take again your zip tie, push it through this hole, and then you're going to take your yarn, pull it through there, tighten your zip tie, go ahead and cut this portion off, and then bring your zip tie through this hole and then zip tie in the back. And pull tight, just like that. So it's just going to keep going down, and it should be a really pretty mane by the time we're all done. Turn it around, cut this off. So the next hole will go is this one here, so it keeps going down. Is how you're going to attach. So they're on an angle like that. Okay, so you can see how nice the mane's coming, and it's really quick and easy. Now when you get down right in here where the row starts, there's not the one on the, I'm sorry, let me move my hand. There's not, you know, the ones on the angles like here and here. So what you're going to do is you're going to connect here and here for this back half right here. So get one of my bunches, and then you're going to take it through here, and then put it through just tighten that down, and then bring it down to this hole here, and then zip tie down. And then once that all lays, of course that will cover everything as you go. So I just wanted to show you that, and that's how you're going to finish attaching here. If you didn't want to leave this gap right here, then just take another bundle, and then you can just go through the same, use the same holes as well. So I don't think you're going to need to, because this should all just cover itself, but if you want to, pull tight, and then come through the other hole like that. So it's more filled in like that. Okay, we're gonna finish it out. We'll be back. Okay, so I wanted to show you too, you can take a piece of foam board and just, this is going to be 6 inches now that I'm going to do for the rest of the mane, and you just wrap it, just keep wrapping it around with your yarn. This way it's a lot easier for when it comes to cutting and cut. And then what I just do here is hold, just kind of pull through, pull that out, then take your scissors. I want to make sure I get it all, and cut. And that way you have, now this is the 12-inch, and then you can go and start doing your bundles with this. Okay, so we finished the main, or the back of the main, we should say. And the last two I did the 12-inch bundles, so it's not going to hang too far down once it's all said and done. Now we're going to go ahead and start. So we're going to use the previous hole that's already been used. And you're going to put your zip tie through there. Let me see if I can see it. There. Grab your bundle. Like I said, again, these are now the 12-inch bundles, not 16-inch bundles. If I can get it through. I'm having a hard time seeing. Pull through, tighten down. And then go through that hole. I'm going to turn it over for you. And tighten it down like that. So we're just going to keep going with our 12-inch bundles and go down and keep finishing up till we're finished. See you in a little bit. Okay, so here's our horse head finished. I'm going to turn it over here. And on the back here, where the zip ties are, I'm just taking a pipe cleaner and pushing it under there, and we'll go maybe right here. And what we do is just twist it back on itself. And this is just going to be our hanger and hang it on the wall. And pull it tight. And twist it around. And that's what we're going to use to hang it. So my girls are going to be so excited when they come home. They're at Grandma's for a few days, and I'm getting their horse heads done so I can hang them in the room. So now I typically use, I've always used my grid, my canvas grid, and the horse head frame. But this is just so cute. I thought this is just like the canvas grid where it's got the holes in it. But it's just, I love her paint job, and I just thought it was so cute, and just love it. So again, her shop is April B Creations, and that's April and then B-E-E Creations.com. And then also, as well as I have, of course, a burlap and deco mesh unicorn tutorial on my Etsy shop if you're interested. That's a nobletouch.etsy.com. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was fun, and I'm going to take some pictures up of it on the wall, and we'll add it to the video. So you guys have a great day, and thanks for joining me. Okay, I think I want to pop the halter with some color. So I've got these large jewels right here, and I think I'm going to just add it to the halter. So I'm going to put some glue on the back. Careful you don't burn yourself if you decide to do this. I'm going to put one there. And then here. And then I'm going to put one more up top. That way we can decorate that just a little bit more. I think the glue just pushed out on the one side, but so I think that looks cuter. Adding some color to pop out the halter. And I think we're done.